here to talk to you about the F22 drone and its features. The F22 comes with the F22 drone, wireless remote, one battery, one charger, and extra propellers. Demonstration of drone accessories. Replace the battery. Press the buckle. Take out the battery upward. Take out the replacement battery and insert it into the battery slot. Multiple charging modes. Charging with USB cables. Charging convenient and fast. Preparation before flight. Turn on the drone on flat ground. To unfold the drone, simply pull out the top arms followed by the bottom arms. All red lights of the drone will become rapid blinking, and pair the frequency automatically. Turn on remote control, pushing the left joystick to the top, then push it to the bottom. Now front white lights and back blue lights of the drone will become rapid blinking. Now pairing successfully. Now connect with Wi-Fi and enter app. Then pick up the drone, hold it parallel to the ground and turn 360 degrees. The back blue and red lights will turn solid blue. Then hold the drone vertically and rotate 360 degrees. The front white and red lights will turn solid white. Set the drone back down on a flat surface. Now start the GPS signal search. When front white lights and back blue lights become solid light, the GPS calibration is complete. Push the left thumbstick into a 5 o'clock position and the right thumbstick into a 7 o'clock position to start the motor. Push the thumbsticks into the same position again to stop the motors. Demonstration of basic functions. Push the left thumbstick into a 5 o'clock position and the right into a 7 o'clock position to start the motors. Push the left joystick up to take off, then push the left joystick down to land. Or click the takeoff and landing button to take off or land. Press the takeoff and landing button for 3 seconds to emergency stop. Push the left thumbstick, ascend, descend, left rotate and right rotate. Fly left side, fly right side. Speed adjustment. The flying speed of the drone can be adjusted freely. Waypoint flight. After clicking the route planning on the interface, a red circle will appear on the map. Simply tap a path of coordination on the screen. Within the red circle, click send and confirm. The drone will fly according to the planned route, 16 points at most. Point of interest. Hovering the drone around the center point, press the photo and video button at the same time and move the encircling radium with the right thumbstick. Press the photo and video button again to start encircling. GPS follow me. After clicking follow on the app interface, the drone will move to the positioning coordinate on the mobile phone. Image recognition follow me. Click follow on the screen, then tap object or person you want to track, then tap to confirm your selection. The drone will move according to the object or the person you tap. Adjust the angle of camera.